In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a circle in Canva. By the end, you'll have clean, curved text that hugs a circle perfectly, ideal for logos, badges, labels, or standout headings. Start by getting your text and your circle ready on the canvas. Add the text you want to curve and style it the way you like. Choose the font, weight, and color now, because these choices affect how the curve looks. Keep your text on a single line for the smoothest arc. Then, place a circle element on the canvas. Make the circle roughly the size you want your final design to be. That way, you'll have a clear guide as you shape the curve. If you're using a circle outline, it can help you see the edge more clearly, but any circle works. Next, click to select your text. Look at the toolbar at the top and find Effects. That opens the Text Effects panel. Under the Shape section, choose Curve. The moment you click it, your text will bend into an arc. If you don't see the text curve immediately, double-check that the text box is actually selected, not the circle. Now, fine-tune it with the Curve slider. Dragging the slider to the right increases the curvature and creates a downward arc. Dragging it to the left flips the curve upward. Adjust the slider until the arc of your text matches the circle's edge. Move the text near the circle so you can judge the fit, and keep nudging the slider as needed. Small changes make a big difference, so go slowly. If the curve looks too tight or too loose, adjust the font size and letter spacing to help it sit along the circle more cleanly. Larger text will naturally need a gentler curve, while tighter letter spacing can help reduce gaps along the arc. You can also rotate the text box slightly to align the start and end of the curve with specific points on your circle. Aim for even spacing so the text looks balanced and easy to read. Once you're happy with the arc and placement, give it a quick check at different zoom levels to make sure it still looks smooth and legible. That's all there is to it. Prepare your text and circle, apply the curve effect from the Effects panel, and use the slider to dial in the perfect curvature that matches your circle. With these simple adjustments, you can wrap text around a circle in Canva quickly and cleanly, ready for logos, stickers, labels, and more.